Hi guys! So, in this, I spelled technology wrong. So, this is my slide on curated technology, and basically I just chose 5 sources to talk about that I think would be very helpful in a classroom. So the first one is PBS, and go to that website. So this is PBS, and basically what I wrote on PBS was that it's a resource for all students. They have sections for science, social studies, math, language arts, the arts, so like actual art, world language, health and physical education, engineering, technology, professional development, and sections for preschool as well. And it goes to grades preschool through 12th grade. So it helps kids of all different ages and on all different topics. They have lessons, videos, studying tools, and interactive lessons, and they also have news and events. So again, if you look at this is just a little section with random topics, and it says like the grades that it can help at the bottom, which is very helpful for teachers to quickly pick out like what they want to do in their class. You can search by subject, search by grade, and they also have news and events. And then here is a section with award-winning series and collections. So it shows you like popular sources on here. So if you don't have time to like browse the website, you can look at what things are that other people did that helped them. And then when you do click on them, they show you videos that can help you, articles that can help you. So overall, PBS is a very good source. The next source is Boulevard, and it's an arts website or source. Here. So this is what it looks like, and it's very visually appealing right when you click on it. And this is just a description of what it is. What I wrote on it was that it's the leading developer of art-based experiences, and it's shared virtually along lots of mixed reality technologies. It's based out of New York, Los Angeles, and London. New York, Los Angeles, and London, and it consists of groups of educators, curators, engineers, that are committed to delivering, and then this is a quote straight off of the website, but it said the highest quality immersive art, architecture, and cultural experiences to anyone, anywhere, anytime. And then I also noted that it offers mixed and virtual reality. So when you go to it, here are like the different realities, and it says they are available in the App Store, and they're coming soon to Android. The mixed reality and the virtual reality I think would be very cool. And it just has a description under them that you can read if you go to the website. And then if you click over here, there's just like you can download things off the website, tell you more about the website, which shows that it's a good source because there's like background on it. And yeah, so if you are into art, I would definitely recommend this source. This is a math games website, and it can help grades like pre-K to 8th grade. So here is this website. And then what I wrote on it was it helps grades pre-K to 8th. It includes, these are just names of different games. I'm not going to read through all of them. Sorry, I can't stop yawning. But the games go over so many skills. They have lots of worksheets, tutorials, just lots of good sources. And for kindergarten, it offers 70 skills, grades 1, 83, grade 2, 128, grade 3, 91, grade 4, 126, grade 5, 120, grade 6, 151, grade 7, 184, and grade 8, 113. So there are lots of skills on this website that it can help you with. And again, here are some of those names that I listed off. And then here it's all sorted out by grade, and then here it's actually sorted out by skill. So if there's if you're struggling with money or fractions, or just anything, there are lots and lots of skills to choose from. And then up at the top, sorry, I have to move this again. Up at the top, as you can see, up here, they have worksheets, 29 worksheets for pre-K, 66 worksheets for kindergarten, 91 for 8th grade. So, just a good resource. The next one, I need to move this again. Okay. The next one is the 3D brain model. This website helps you explore different parts of the brain, and you can look at all the different brain structures. It talks about functions, disorders, diseases, neuroscience and society, brain anatomy, and more. And there's also a 3D model of the brain that you can click on and interact with, which I think is very helpful. This is obviously going to be a website for older kids. Oops, that's the math website. Sorry. Okay, well, I guess I copy and pasted the math games one on the 3D model. But basically, that website has so many resources on it. In the 3D brain, you can just move the brain around, click random parts, and it shows you the frontal lobe, just all different parts, and says what the function of it is, what happens if it's damaged, just all about the brain. And then speaking of brains, we have Brain Pop. This is probably my favorite of the three. I have so many typos. My favorite of the three. Brain Pop, I used it when I was younger. I don't use it as much anymore, but I did find out that they do have Brain Pop for adults. And this website is to see how learning can be effective and meaningful no matter where it's taking place. It also includes lots of skills and subjects, which include science, social studies, English, math, arts and music, coding, health, SEL, engineering and technology, and just trending topics, so big things on the news. And then Tim and Moby are the main characters. They teach all the lessons. I'm so sorry. I just noted at the bottom that when I was younger, I would always be very engaged and pay very well attention to Brain Pop, because they, the videos that I would watch with them, they keep you very, interested in them, but they also do a very good job of teaching. So, yeah, these are all my slides, just Brain Pop, 3D brain model, math games, the Boulevard, and the PBS. And there are so many other good sources out there, but these were 5 of my favorites. So, thank you.